I mean, who don't want $100? So if one of your friends, your mom, your uncle, somebody wants $100, let them know. Share this with them. If they get in quick enough.
Hey, 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 oh, hey. Started with a full table, way we left it all. Hey, started with a full table, way we left it all. Ooh, started with a full table, way we left it all.
All right, so we finally did it. We running it up. 300 subscribers, baby. We building more. Like every day, it's just going. It's going nuts. This is like a week, 2 weeks ago. We was at 100, a little over 100. Now we just pushing. So I'm trying to keep it going. You already know what time it is. Let's see who's our new $100 winner. All right. So how do you get $100? How do you get your name entered into the raffling to be one of my lucky subscribers who wins $100? Now, last time we did this, I shouted out 2 people and neither one of them wanted the money. I don't know if they thought it was a scam or what. But yo, we not scamming. We growing. If you want $100, all you have to do is like all of the past 3 videos, including this one, subscribe, and make sure you comment so that I know that you did all 3 of those things. And then in the next video, which is going to include the Rody multi-app shopping trip. I'm going to just let you know I'm not feeling Rody. Huh? But I'm going to do the video and we going to see the full results because But yeah, if you want $100, this is a quick video, just a quick layout as to what you need to do if you're wanting to be in the runnings. Like, comment, and subscribe on one of the past 3 videos. That's including this one. And you will be in the raffle for $100. I'm quick enough. I'm probably gonna do the video tomorrow where I actually select the winner. I've updated the process, so it's not gonna be me just digging my hand in a bag anymore. But yeah, that's what we're going with. If you guys want to be a part of that, spread the word. Let people know they can win $100 simply by being a part of the Instacart Strategies community. Let's get it.